What's up, YouTube? All right, today we're gonna go over the quite possibly the ugliest and most cheap camera I've ever held in my life, the NISHIKA N-8000. This is one of those 3D cameras and makes those really cool 3D film GIFs, which I'm sure you've probably seen. They're super popular these days. I picked this one up on eBay for like $50, and it came with this flash. They're getting kind of expensive now because people are catching on. But they're super fun despite literally, can you hear that? This thing feels like it's gonna break because it probably is gonna break. And especially the worst part about this camera, which I cannot stand, is the film advance feels like it's gonna snap off in my hand. It has 3 f-stops, which I had to look them up. It is sunny, a cloudy day, and cloudy indoor. Now, the sunny day is going to be F19, which I'm assuming. The partly cloudy day is going to be F11, and the indoor cloudy is going to be F8, I believe. I had to look these up. They don't tell you that. Mine came with the full box and instruction manual and everything. Actually, before we get started, I just want to say a few tips for this thing. You want to build in as much depth as possible from your subject to your background. And your subject needs to be about 6 feet away from you, or else you're going to get kind of a blurry image. Let's get started, and thanks for watching. Okay, so we are back with the N-8000. A few things you probably noticed. Not the greatest quality. We're using a 400 ISO film, and it was a lot darker than the video makes out to be. Ideally, you're shooting in a brighter light situation. I'm going to show you guys actually a couple photos that I got professionally scanned in. I shot at 160 ISO Portra, and they look a lot better. So just check these out real quick. And this is pretty much what you can get. So you're going to have to get your photos rescanned in, either do it yourself or go find the ones you want, mark them up, and take them to your local scan shop. But stay tuned for episode 2, because I'm going to show you actually how to make these things in Photoshop. If you want, follow me on Instagram. I put the link below, and also subscribe to the channel. Thanks. Peace.